Do you ever get impatient with God? Be honest. I know I have. There have been times when I've prayed, I've waited, I've believed, and I still found myself wondering, Lord, when's it going to happen? Then I remember the powerful words that come out of Isaiah 40:31. But they who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Let's break these words down for a minute because there's so much hope in this one single verse. Renew your strength. We renew our strength daily by staying connected to God. Through His Word, through prayer, and through aligning our mindset with His will. The Bible tells us in 1 Thessalonians 5:16-18 to pray without ceasing. This doesn't mean to pray when things are going wrong, or pray when you want something, or pray when you need a miracle. Rather, it calls us to make prayer our lifestyle. Every day, we get a chance to renew our strength and remain rooted in Him. Isaiah 40:31 goes on to say, mount up with wings like eagles. Let's think about this eagle for a minute. Their wings are heavy. They're so heavy, in fact, that they don't flap their wings to fly. They soar. Eagles, when they go to fly, they wait for that gust of wind, they catch it, and then they trust it to take them higher. Isn't that just like us? Sometimes life feels heavy. Responsibilities, disappointments, delays. But Acts 2:1-4 describes the Holy Spirit as a mighty wind. It says the Spirit enabled them. So while we're waiting on God, we have to let the Spirit carry us, to lift us, to trust that He's got us right where He wants us to be. Then Isaiah 40:31 goes on to say, they shall run and not be weary. That's our reminder to keep going, keep pushing, keep the faith in motion. Faith isn't a feeling. Faith is an action word. James 2:17 says, faith without works is dead. So keep pushing, keep serving, and keep believing. Matthew 5:16 reminds us to let your light shine so that others can see your good works, not for your glory, but for His glory. Finally, Isaiah 40:31 says, they shall walk and not faint. Sometimes life slows down. It even feels like nothing's even happening. But don't be fooled. God is still moving. He's working behind the scenes. He's writing your story. You might not be able to see it, but He's there. In those quiet seasons, don't give up. Keep studying. Keep praying. Keep trusting in God that He is orchestrating everything for His glory. Not your glory, but for His glory. So, if you ever find yourself becoming impatient with God, remember Isaiah 40:31. Waiting isn't wasted time. It's preparation time, folks. Because when you wait on the Lord, He will renew your strength. You'll soar. You'll run. You'll walk. And through it all, you will not faint. Stay encouraged. God's timing is perfect. Wait on the Lord and renew your strength.